guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make two different types of redstone clock, which is going to be a hopper and comparator redstone clock. So basically, if I just put in a item, as you can see, it will just flick off infinitely. And I also have an observer with a piston as a redstone clock. Now, I do need to mention there are lots of other types of redstone clock you can make. And these can be, so these, you can choose any type you'd like to. So basically, I'm just going to show you a quick one here, which is a really simple one you guys can also make. You just have some repeaters running in the same direction in like a loop. And once you set off the circuit, you break a piece of redstone, turn it back on. And as you can see here, it will just turn on and off. Now that should do at least, but because obviously of how long it takes to go through, that isn't going to work, I don't think. So, because that's going to be on infinitely. And then I'm just going to go through another one. And finally, that should turn on and off. Nope, still taking too long. Nope, it's still taking way too long. That is, right then, maybe if it goes through one more repeater. Nope, I can't seem to get it to work, guys, but you get the point. It goes on infinitely, and it's just sending off a repeating redstone signal, which is what a redstone clock is. So, I am now just going to go on to making the first one. And if you're playing on Java Edition, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have an 8-block area that you want. But in Java, at least, you need 8-block. If you're in Bedrock like me, you just need a 6-block, and I'll explain why that is in a second. But so if you're so it's the same in both of them. You're just going to place down the piston, and now in Java you're going to have to loop around the back of the piston because pistons don't connect to redstone from the side on; they just go from the back. So if you're in Bedrock like me, you just need to loop it around here into an observer, and the observer once actually no, you need another 2 blocks here, so you can loop back into the observer like so. And as you can see there, the observer is basically infinitely observing that this piston is shooting backwards and forwards, sending off an infinite redstone signal. As you can see here, it just flicks on and off. And that is basically the same as the one I showed you before, guys. So that was the first type of redstone clock. And as I said before, if you're in Java, you need to do this. Oh no, because that just deactivated. I'll reactivate, and there we are. So if you're in Java, obviously this piece of redstone wouldn't be connecting, and it just go all the way around into that piston around the back. But obviously because I'm in Bedrock, I need 8 blocks. In Java, you need 10 blocks. So that was the first type of redstone clock, guys. And now I'm going to go and move on to the second type. And for this, you're going to need one type of an item, so just a singular one. Here I'm going to use a redstone torch. And you're going to need 2 hoppers, a comparator. And for the first one, I'll just go over what you need quickly. You needed a piston. So if you're in Java, you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of redstone. If you're in Bedrock, you're going to need 5. And you're going to need an observer as well. But this one is slightly cheaper, I believe, because it needs quartz to get observers. Actually, you need quartz to get comparators anyway, so they're both equally quite good. But what you're going to do, first of all, is you're going to place a hopper here, which will automatically face down into the ground. And now, facing into that hopper, you're going to place a hopper facing into it. Now you're going to break the hopper you just placed, which if you're in Survivor, you just pick it back up. And you're going to place the hoppers facing into each other. And now on the side you want to have it sending off of, which can be this side or this side. You're going to put in a comparator followed by a piece of redstone and whatever power source you would like to be activated. So here I'm just going to use a piston. And all you're going to do is put in that one item, and that will constantly go between the 2 different types of hoppers, sending off an infinite redstone signal, which means it is a redstone clock. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy them, please do like and subscribe. And for now, bye.